Have you ever tried convincing someone but they just would not listen? Maybe it was your child, your spouse, your friend, or a coworker. You explained your reasons, you made your case, you told them why it was important, and somehow nothing changed. Why? Because most people make one simple mistake. They talk about what they want instead of what the other wants. Think about it. Every day, people are trying to influence someone. Parents try to influence children, managers try to influence employees, businesses try to influence customers, even friends try to influence friends. The ability to influence people affects your relationship, career, leadership, and success. Yet, most people approach it completely backwards. Hi, this is BookShot, where we help you to understand life changing books in very simple language. One book, one lesson, and one step closer to better life. And today we are exploring one of the most powerful communication skill you will ever learn. Imagine a child who refuses to eat vegetables. The parent says, "Eat your vegetable because I want you to do." The child does not care. The parent says, "Eat your vegetables because they are healthy." The child still does not care. Then the parent learns something important. The child loves sports. So the parent says, if you want to run faster and become stronger than your friends, your body needs good fuel. Suddenly, the child listens. What changed? The vegetable did not change. The message changed. The parent stopped talking about what they wanted and started talking about what the child wanted. Dale Carnegie believed that the only way to influence people is to talk in the term of their interests, not yours, theirs. Because every action people take is driven by desire. People don't move because you want something, people move because they want something. Think about a salesperson. The weak salesperson talk about the features of the product. The great salesperson talk about benefit. The weak salesperson say, "Here's what our product does." But the great salesperson says, "Here's how your life become easier." One talks about product and the other talks about customer. And that's why one succeed. The same thing happens in relationship. Many arguments start because people focus only on their own needs. My opinion, my frustration, my expectation, but influence begin when we ask what matters to the other person, what do they want, what are they feeling. This does not means manipulation. It means understanding. It means seeing the world through someone else's eyes. Because people are far more likely to cooperate when they feel understood. Today, try something simple. Before asking someone for something, pause. Ask yourself, if I were them, why would I want this? That one question can completely change the way you communicate. Today's lesson is very simple. People don't care how much you want something, they care about how it helps them. The moment you understand what people want, you become far more influential. Tomorrow, we will explore one of the simplest and the most powerful relationship skills in the world. A skill that costs nothing, takes only 1 second, and instantly make people like you more. Until then, remember, the fastest way to influence people is to understand what matters to them. So, stay tuned. We will meet tomorrow.